Yeah, welcome guys. How about we making a very wonderful data representation in PowerPoint, something like this. Okay, let's see it. Just come with your rounded, just your circle. Come with your circle. You are going to see the power of your circle and your 3D rotation. Those things are not there for fun, they are there for us to use. Just change the 3D rotation in this direction and go to the properties by increasing the size, the height of the 3D object, and this is what you get. Then you take the width to 0, put it at 0, so that it's going to give you a perfect rounded, something like this, a perfect rounded cylinder. Don't worry, we'll be doing that of block after now. So duplicate. You want to change the color of everything, to light gray and increase the transparency. Then the line on your line, try and change to the same color. Change your line to the same color and also increase the transparency to look like this. It's looking like something. Remember to subscribe. Just remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Then you duplicate it. Your duplicate, let it fit in exactly and change the color. But don't forget to reduce the transparency this time around, because this is the element we actually will be working with. This is the element we'll be working with. Position it, make sure you arrange it, just arrange it the way you want it, and bring in your back, your duplicated version of it, bring it back and make a duplicate as many data you have to represent. Just keep duplicating it. I think this I duplicated it into 5, and I changed the color for each inside cylinder. Change the color and the height to represent the data we are looking for. So don't forget, you are going to treat them individually like this. Then this is what you get after everything. Just bring it in. Don't worry, bring it in. The height is more, so you reduce it. Do it to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. Thank you. Take time to perfect it. Just take your time to perfect it. You see, they are of different height. Change of the color. Like I said, we are changing the color to your preferred colors. You can use one color, but I love this to look, colorful and beautiful. Okay, after which you can now come up with whatever percentage, whatever data you want it to represent. You can just do that directly, or you insert a text box when you insert a text box, remember it's a shape that can take text. It's a shape that can take text. So this is what you get at the end. This is what you have at the end. As you can see. So you may want to duplicate the slide, and why I duplicated the slide is that your first slide should carry introduction of the data you are about to represent. This one says return on investment for the year in view. Coming with different years. I believe you can be creative about all this. Just do it your own way. This is a step. This is a motivation for you to do whatever you need to do. As you can see, format it to your desired format. Format your desired format, and then continue in your design. Okay, after all, select each and every one of the inlay cylinder and add flying animation to it individually. Set it to appear on click. Please remember to do that because you need it to come in one after the other. You might want to talk on each of them, so you need it to come in one after the other, just like this. This is your end result. This is what you get at the end. As you can see, isn't this wonderful? Thank you, and see you in the next video.